Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Selena Zenchuk. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you consider joining our family. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. We will be very excited to have you over. So as you can see from the title, today we're going to be discussing about black seed oil and the benefits that black seed oil can do for your body, both internal and external. So let's look at black seed and all the benefits that it have to our health. If you would like to see this video, then continue and watch it. Black seed oil have been around for so many ages, but unfortunately people are now just starting to know about it, and that's in my case, same with me. I've been seeing black seed oil on the internet, let's say for the past 2 months now. For some reason, YouTube kept on suggesting that video to me, and then my husband got a flu which took a very long time, so I decided to watch one of the YouTube video on black seed. And then after that, I went on our good old Google and I started to research about black seed. And I found that black seed is also good for the respiratory system, which the cold that he had. So I immediately ordered it and started giving it to him. Now, the more he started taking it, his cough started to get better, but this is something that you have to continue taking it. When I say continue taking it, not like for a long time, but at least in his case, he's supposed to take it for at least a week or 2 weeks straight. So I started to make more research onto black seeds, and these are the awesome benefits in which I got to know about black seed. Black seed oil have so many different names according to which part of the world you are living. Some people know it as black onion seeds, others know it as kalonji oil, and then some people also call it black cumin seed. So it depends which part of the world you are in, but all of those names are the same word, at the same thing. Some people also call the Nigella sativa. In those days, people took black seed to be very important. From my research, I saw that the Muslim Muhammad referred to black seed oil as the oil that kills everything except death. And then it was also shown that King Tut also, when they opened up his tomb, they saw black seed oil in it, because those days people believe that whatever that is important to you on earth, when you die, you take it along with you so that you can cross over with it to the afterlife. So they found black seed oil into his tomb. So this also made the research to be more extent. People really wanted to know how important this oil is, that people have to take it with them to the afterlife. So let's look at some of the places in which black seed oil is grown. Black seed oil origin is from North Africa, the Mediterranean, Europe, and Asia, and since then it has spread all around the globe. So we have more access to black seed and black seed oil now. The two great ingredients or compounds that make black seed oil very important, it consists of thymoquinone, which is known as TQ, or thermohydroquinone, which is known as THQ. There are many ways in which you can consume black seed oil. I would just give you a few ways you can consume it, and you can also make your research on your own. One of the ways is just by taking a teaspoon of it in the morning on empty stomach, and also a teaspoon of it before night. Some people have problem with the taste, like me in that case, so I take mine with honey. So I take a teaspoon of the oil, and then I pour a few drops of honey into it. I give it a mixture with my fingertip, and then I just put it down my throat. Another way you can consume black seed is by drinking it as a tea. So you can pour your water Add couple of teaspoons of the black seed into that hot water. Let it sit and simmer for about 5 minutes, and then you can take that and add honey to that tea, and you can consume your black seed in that way as well. Another way you can use black seed is through black seed extract. Or simple, you can just buy the black seed capsule and you can take that, which is much better if you are afraid of the taste of the black seed. 101 benefits of black seed, and all the review that I saw on black seed. I'm pretty sure and I believe that everyone should get to know more about black seed and give it a try, just in promoting your general health, either through supplement or on your hair and your skin. But this is something that you need to discuss with your medical doctor, because some people claiming that it do kill so many diseases and illness, but this is something again you have to discuss with your medical doctor. So when I watched this video, I went into the comment section and I saw so many great review about black seed. I personally, I have a very bad eye problem, which I started wearing glasses from a young age. At the age of 5, that means I had my eye problem from at the age of 2 or 3, but my family got to know it late. So this is something that I am interested into giving it a try, because I saw a review that a lady said she have an eye problem, which I know is not as bad as mine, because mine eye is -17, which is very bad. I'm literally blind. And she said that it is helping with her eyesight. And then I also saw a review of a lady who lost her sense of taste and smell for so many years, and she was just living with that. And since she started taking black seed, she got her taste back. So that's like a miracle. So this is something that people should look into as just for your general health, and it also stimulates your head, your dead head follicles. So that's something to also look into. So I bought both black seed, or this is the type that I bought from Amazon. This is $25. And then you guys know I'm the DIY baby. So I also got the black cumin seed. I'm going to be making so many DIY for hair and also to take internally with the black seed. So I got a little bit of note down here of just the most important things that I wanted to mention to you guys also. So this says studies shows that black seed oil, which is the compound TQ, have been found to be antioxidant. It has a lot of antioxidant. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It is anti-cancer. That means people who have cancer, it also fight the cancer cells. It is antibacterial, antifungal. Research claims that there are 101 illness and diseases that black seed oil can cure. So I just drop down some, because if I'm listing all the 101, this video going to be so long, which I don't want. So I'm just going to read through the most important one that I dropped down. But if you don't find anything which is related to your issue, I will encourage you to go and read on it, and then hopefully you will find something to cater to your issue. So let's look at some of the importance or some of the things that people claim that black seed oil have done for them. Black seed oil can help with your heart health. If you have a bad heart, it can help with that. It can also fight fungal infection. Black seed oil can also help with your allergies. It can also help with your skin. As I mentioned earlier, it helps kills the cancer cells, which is very big. Black seed oil can also kill your acne. Black seed oil can boost your fertility if you are trying to have a baby. Black seed oil can help with your hair and your scalp. It have a regenerative properties which can wake up those dead follicles on your scalp. It can help with flu, fever, and fever. It helps with cough and asthma, like what my husband was having. It helps with diarrhea. Actually, all help with high blood pressure. This is something very big because my grandmother, she suffered from high blood, but I want to make more research on this before I buy some and ship it to her. And then I also want her to ask her doctor if she can consume it. Flaxseed oil can cure insomnia. It can also help with upset stomach. It helps with toothache. Flaxseed oil can also help with breast cancer. Flaxseed oil can also help with weight loss. It helps with diabetes, seizure. It can also help with cervical cancer. It prevent radiation damage. It help with your chest congestion. It helps with your vision. This is something in which I got very interested in. It helps with migraine headaches. I know so many people suffer from migraine headaches from the stress. It's also help with that. It help with breastfeeding and lactation. Help with insect bites and also moles on your skin. If your lips are peeling, it help with that. It help with constipation. It help with back pains and body pains. It help with stomach pain. It helps with prostate cancer. It helps with general weakness. It helps with chronic fatigue. It helps with heart attack. It helps with bone cancer. Just the few that I mentioned on Black Sea, the 101 plus sicknesses and illnesses that Black Sea can help with. If I haven't mentioned anything which you are suffering from, I will encourage you again for the second time to go online and read more about Black Sea. And I'm pretty sure that once you have faith and you take this as the dose which your doctor recommend, again, I am not a medical doctor. All of this information I'm giving you is from research which you can also do for yourself. So please discuss with your medical doctor before taking any herbal medicine. I will update you guys on my journey with Black Sea oil, if it's helping with my vision or just my overall health. And then I will also make DIYs with Black Sea oil for our hair and skin. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.